Welcome to the Colorado National Speedway, and as you can tell, we've got this circuit track all to ourselves. That means it's time for a brand new TFL feature called the TFL Lightning Lap, because 0 to 60 times will test a car's acceleration, but once around the track, that's going to test the car's acceleration as well as its handling. Coming up next on the Fast Lane Car. Now, under the hood of the Ford Fiesta is a 1.6 liter four-cylinder that puts out 120 horsepower and 112 pound-foot of torque. It's mated to what we like to call God's own transmission, a 5-speed manual. Yeah, it's a four-cylinder that gets great fuel economy. What'd you expect, the Viper sound? Of course not. You'd have to get the ST version of this, but today we've got the regular Fiesta. All right, I'm going to have our trusty photographer Kyle time this lap. He's behind the camera and he's running the stopwatch. Kyle, are you ready? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. I had the parking brake on. Oops, that's a rookie mistake. We'll try that again. You ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, parking brake on. A little bit of wheel, squeal, and here we go. We'll hit the red limiter there. There's second. Oh, you can feel this back end wanting to come around a little bit. It's really pushing. Front wheels do not have that much adhesion in this car. I'm going to keep it in third because that's where the power band is. And here comes the fast. I'm floored, here we go. 4,000 RPM, and here's the finish right there. I have no clue how fast that was, so we'll go ask Kyle what the damage is. I'm thinking for our very first TFL Lightning Lap, we should have at least broken, I don't know, let's say 40 seconds. The funny part is, a flying lap at this track record is just over 13 seconds. What is the deal? Oh, check it out. Here we go. 28.61. So we have our very first car on the TFL Lightning Lap leaderboard, and that is the Ford Fiesta SE. Now that I've gotten to know the track and the car a little bit better, I've got more confidence, so I'm going to try it one more time, and I bet you I can go faster than 28 seconds. Ready, Kyle? Here we go. I'm guessing that was faster. We'll see what a few practice laps does for my time. I'm going to come around and I'm going to see what Kyle says. So what's the word, Kyle? Let me see the time. It's the same time. Look at that. Blah, 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 blah. It's much harder to go faster than you think. Thanks, Kyle. So there we have it. We have our first leaderboard car, and it is the Ford Fiesta 2014 SE. You know, that is the most fun I have had all week. The track record is 13.24 set by Mr. Haygood, and I am nowhere near that. But as we get faster cars, I bet you our times will come down. So do you like the TFL Lightning Lap? If so, let us know in the comments below, because I certainly do. As always, this is Roman saying thanks for watching, and thank you for making TFL such a huge success. See you guys next time. Ciao.